Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, I am going to talk about an oxygen regulator. The device which I hold is called oxygen regulator. First, I am going to define the oxygen regulator. It is a device which is used to deliver a control amount of oxygen to the patient from the oxygen cylinder. So, this is the definition of the oxygen regulator. It has got the various parts, and each part of the oxygen regulator has its function. You can see over here, this is a metal rod. You can see over here, and this metal rod is used to connect to the oxygen cylinder. You can see over here, this metal rod is connected here. You can see it easily. This is connected here to the oxygen cylinder. This is the oxygen cylinder. And this is the inlet in which the oxygen is flow from the oxygen cylinder into the oxygen regulator. The oxygen is flow from the oxygen cylinder into the oxygen regulator. And you can see over here there is a gauge. It has got the gauge, and this gauge is used to measure the pressure of oxygen from the cylinder. This is used to measure the pressure of oxygen which is flow from cylinder into the oxygen regulator. Now if you see over here, there is another metal which is connected here to the oxygen flow meter into the humidifier, and the oxygen is flow through this metal into the humidifier, and this is the valve. This is the valve which is used to control the flow of oxygen. You can see over here, this is the valve. When you turn it anti-clockwise, it will be started. It will be started. You can see over here, it is started. The oxygen flow is started, and you can regulate the amount of flow through this valve. And if you see over here, there is a glass tube which is called the oxygen flow meter. And if you see inside, there is a small ball-like material inside the glass tube. And on the another side, there are landmarks. You can see over here, there are landmarks, and it is range from 0 to 15. You can see over here, it is range from 0 to 15. When you turn on this, the ball will flow due to the pressure of oxygen upward, and you can set whatever the amount of oxygen you want to deliver to the patient. You can see over here the ball is set on 5, and here the unit is written liter per minute. So here the ball is on 5 mark. It means that 5 liter per minute oxygen is flowing to the patient. You should see below, this is the humidifier, and the water is used in this. You can see over here, this is the water which is using the humidifier to humidify the oxygen, and from this humidifier there is outlet. Through this outlet, the humidified oxygen is flowing through the face mask into the patient. So this was all about an oxygen regulator. For more video, subscribe, like, and share. So thanks for watching the video.